Hello everybody, today we are going to make a do-it-yourself fruit fly trap. If you're like me and you garden and stuff, you're going to get fruit flies. If I give this a little shake, I don't know if you can see them, yeah, kind of flying around there. So the easiest trap, you take a mason jar, apple cider vinegar, and dish soap. So what we're going to do is simply open up our apple cider vinegar, pour roughly about a cup in there. Doesn't have to be exact. Cut that off, and then you just take some dish soap, whatever you have lying around, and throw just a little bit in there. And that's it. You let that sit, and then we'll check back later and see how many fruit flies we ended up catching. Alright, it's the next day. I still have some flies flying around. But when I look in the little trap here, there are a ton of dead flies sitting in the bottom here. So I think this trap works. It's just going to take some more time. I'm going to mix it up here and there. But that's a simple fruit fly trap. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them below and hit like and subscribe.